I'm not really mad at Kathy. I wish she just would have told me I wasn't allowed to wear it earlier because she took it off like 2 numbers before I went on stage. So I was really nervous and like didn't know what the judges were gonna think because I was supposed to be a supermodel and I was wearing like a crop top and booty shorts.